everyone, welcome to Korea Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Ankake Yakisoba. It's a fried noodle dish with a thick savory sauce. Usually it is cooked with pork and a lot of vegetables. You can add seafood if you like. It's a really popular dish. It's served as a school lunch as well. My daughter had it last week, so I decided to make it for her again. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut the meat and vegetables into bite-sized pieces. You can use seafood instead or add seafood if you like. You can use any vegetables available in your fridge. You don't have to stick with these ingredients. You can arrange it in the way you like. Heat cooking oil in a frying pan. By the way, I'm cutting the noodles for kids. Cook the noodles 3 minutes each on both sides until crisp golden. When the noodles are done, place them on serving plates. Again, heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Stir fry the meat until crisp golden. Add the vegetables and cook until tender. Now add 1 cup of water and the seasonings. Bring to a boil, then stop the heat. Add the starch diluted with double amount of water. Heat again until thick. Now stop the heat and finish with sesame oil. By the way, sesame oil is a must. It makes the dish really appetizing. Cover the noodles with ankake sauce to serve. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
チンゲン菜美味しい。
給食が食べれるようになったら美味しくなるね。
スパイシーでとお肉だけ多かった。チャンネル登録お願いします。結構また押してね。バイバイ。好きな動画だったらコメント欄からお願いします。
上手。